You win in business, so why do you feel like you're still not good enough at home? This video is for the man who leads everywhere else but still feels like he's falling short at home. My fiance has generated over $1.5 million in under 2 years, and he says that the biggest shift wasn't in the strategy. It was in the emotional leadership he brought home. Once he stopped trying to perform and started connecting, our relationship exploded with support, intimacy, and peace. That's a big one. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 keys that'll help you overcome that hidden insecurity that most, high-performing men don't really talk about, but feel every day. And if you're ready to lead like a powerful man that you are in business and at home, download your free marriage ROI toolkit in the description below. Insecurity number 1, I'm not good enough. Most high performers won't say this out loud, but they still feel it. You make the money, you take the risks, and yet deep down, there's this ache. Is this enough for her? Does she actually respect me? Am I leading her the way I want to? Here's the truth. Your success doesn't silence your insecurity. Your connection does. When you feel safe in your marriage, emotionally seen, respected, it's a big one, and appreciated, that's when the doubt dies down. But when you don't feel respected at home, no amount of success feels like a win. It just doesn't. Insecurity number 2, I don't know how to lead her. You lead teams, you manage conflict, but your wife, she's not a team member. She's not a project. And if you're trying to fix or manage her emotions, you're not really leading. You're micromanaging. Therefore, there isn't intimacy, emotional connection, nor communication happening with your wife. What happened after we said I do? We take our spouses for granted. We're no longer interested in them by asking questions. We assume we know them. We're no longer grateful to have them in our lives anymore, or even having joy or fun or adventure in the marriage anymore. I'm going to help you have her get closer to you by doing these things. You have an actual woman right here giving you the answers. Emotional leadership means listening to understand, not to solve, creating space for her voice and her voice alone. The more you get her to talk about nothing, the more you feel like a true warrior and leader in her life. I don't know how it works, it just does. Naturally, she'll pour more confidence into you that you really can't get from anything or anyone else. It's the type of confidence that every man needs to succeed in every area. Leading with your presence. She craves your presence. She may not say it, but she does. Want to shift your marriage overnight? Next time she's talking, look her in the eyes. Eye contact is super powerful because I'm sure you do it with your team and your clients. Put the phone down. Just be with her. That's leadership. If you're tired of feeling like you've got it all except the support and connection you crave at home, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It gives you the 5 tools to lead your relationship the same way you lead your business, with clarity, confidence, and connection. Link is in the description. Insecurity number 3. I can't slow down. You're afraid that if you stop to invest in your relationship, your business will suffer. I completely understand. But here's what I've seen with the men I work with and also in my relationship. The moment that they start building a marriage that supports them, their business just naturally grows. They make sharper decisions. They make bigger and wiser decisions. They lead with more peace. They stop questioning themselves. You don't need to slow down at all. We don't want you to. You're just missing a piece into the equation. You need to strengthen the home base so you can run further without burning out. Listen, you're not broken. You are not behind. You're not the only man who's ever felt like this. I've seen it so many times. But you are responsible because high-performing men, they don't let hidden insecurities run the show. They do something about it. Book a free call with me below if you're ready to lead your relationship the way you lead your business, with strength, clarity, and legacy. Your marriage can be your greatest asset. Let's build that together. Book a free call now.